Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, it's the eve of my trip. Got me a new hat. That's what I'm going to be wearing on the trip. Let me show you how I got my vehicle set up. Back seat. Over in the bottle. Cleaner for the windshield, just in case. We've had so much rain, I haven't even had a chance to clean it. Paper towels. Up front, my battery fan. In that bag, there's two bags. I got my clothes and all the necessities like you would have, you know. And another bag. And got some music in that pouch. I got some drinks and some snacks, just in case. All tires are aired up. Everything is fueled up. Back here, got a whole array of stuff. I brought a pillow because you know what it's like, get down on the ground when you have to work on something. I want comfort. Well, needless to say, I think I'm pretty much covered. I mean, I got just about anything under the blue moon I could possibly need on this trip. I have all the animals watered and fed, cats included. There's no reason anyone in the 3 days that I'm gone will go out, will go with nothing. They have it all. When I used to travel in the past, God, I used to go to some really amazing places. When I lived in Florida, traveled over the whole state. And there were times I went to visit friends. Ended up in Tennessee, meeting some friends I was talking to on a chat room. And I'd be driving an itty bitty, what was that thing? A Geo Metro. Yep, fun times, fun times. But as I age, I find myself not wanting to drive too far. Mainly because I got things like this to take care of. But I got a camera there I can keep an eye on and talk to. But yeah, this is a long trip. The last time I took this Envoy on a very, very long trip, there was a woman in a wheelchair that had trouble, couldn't get no one to mow the grass. I must have been out of my mind. I couldn't tell you. I think it was Gadsden, Alabama. Just got the truck, 2015. Just bought it. Light for the tire kept coming on. I pull over. I don't see anything wrong with the tires. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. But I tell you what, I get down there, that woman just mean, nasty. I spent the night. I was gone the next day. I broke my poor riding lawnmower when I was down there. I hit something, it done sent the blade right through the deck. I go, I'm done. I limped it up on the trailer, tied it down. She goes, aren't you going to mow? Well, you didn't tell me about these rocks that I didn't see. Broke my riding lawnmower. I'm going home in the morning. I spent that day sweating, cleaning trash out of her house. My God, I went through about 70 garbage bags of trash. Why, when her husband was alive, why they were shoving trash in the dishwasher and all the cabinets? Beyond me. I know they were both in a wheelchair, but my God, I mean, you got to have a little, you wonder why there's bugs all over the place. I seen roaches crawling on the wall. No, I ain't staying there. I left. That was the last time I would ever donate my time to a stranger. Now, it's different if I know them and I've been there. Yeah, I'll help them out. I've helped strangers around here, you know. But that was through somebody else I knew. But anyways, this trip could be close to 6 hours one way. I will be stopping every so often. I know I can get from here to Eureka, and it's roughly 213, 214 miles. And that's about where I'm going to gas up. Maybe. It all depends on the price. I have the Missouri Department of Transportation. I got their maps. I got their cameras. I could sit there and pull over while the truck's sitting there cooling off, and I could check all my fluids. I could check the cameras. I wrote down in my notebook several different alternative routes. If one route is going to be closed for some stupid reason, I can hit another one. In fact, I got so many different stops, I had to sit there and write stars and asterisks and everything else in my notes and pointing here and say, go here. I'm going to be careful. I'm taking my time. I am not going to rush because for the condition of my truck, I don't dare. I don't want this trip to end with me blowing up my truck and no way to get home, let alone no way to get to work. But anyways, you see what I got? See what I did? Oh, and I will be wearing my dentures. That's about the only thing, other than getting dressed, that I have to put on. Hey, I'll see you next time.